Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this given exponential equation using the one-to-one property of exponential functions. We have here 1/6 raised to 3x plus 2 times 216 raised to 3x equals 1 over 216. So we're going to look for the value of x that will satisfy this given equation. Let's start. What is one-to-one property of exponential functions? If b raised to x equals b raised to y, then x is equal to y, provided that b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. In other words, the one-to-one property of exponential functions tells us that if we have the same base on each side of the equation, and we also have single exponential expression on both sides, then we can set the exponents equal to each other. So this is our main objective. Given this exponential equation, we should be able to rewrite it into this format. Same base on each side, single expression on each side. Okay, let's start with the first exponential expression on the left side. We have 1/6 raised to 3x plus 2. Let's review the basic exponent property. If we have a fractional base raised to an exponent n, this is also equal to the reciprocal of the fractional base raised to the opposite of the exponent. Let's apply this basic property of exponent into the first exponential expression on the left side. Our fractional base is 1/6. Take the reciprocal of 1/6, it's equal to 6 over 1. The given exponent is 3x plus 2. Opposite of 3x plus 2 is negative of 3x plus 2. We can simplify this by omitting divided by 1 because division by 1 is always equal to the number. 6 divided by 1 is still equal to 6. And let's distribute negative to each of the term inside the parenthesis. 6 raised to negative 3x minus 2. Okay, so our first exponential expression becomes 6 raised to negative 3x minus 2. Notice that we have our new base number, and that is 6. This serves as our clue. Let's verify if we can express the base number of the second exponential expression as a power of 6. Is 216 a power of 6? Yes. 216 is equal to 6 cubed. Okay, so let's focus on the second exponential expression on the left side. We have 216 raised to 3x. Let's rewrite 216 as 6 cubed. Copy 3x. Let's simplify by application of the power rule for exponents. If we raise an exponent to another exponent, multiply the exponents. So this is equal to 6 times the product of 3 and 3x. 3 times 3x is equal to 9x. Okay, let's proceed to the right side of the equation. We have 1 over 216. We can rewrite 1 over 216 as 1 over 6 cubed. Let's double check. 1/6 times 1/6 equals 1 over 36. 1 over 36 times 1/6 equals 1 over 216. Then We will use this basic property of exponent once again. Flip the fractional base. It becomes 6 over 1 and change the exponent to its opposite, -3. Then we can omit divided by 1 because 6 divided by 1 is still equal to 6. This is raised to -3. Okay, so we can now rewrite the original exponential equation using the simplest form of each of its term. We now have 6 raised to -3x minus 2 multiplied by 6 raised to 9x equal to 6 raised to -3. Remember that one of our targets is to be able to express each side of our equation into a single exponential expression. Look at the left side. This is not a single exponential expression, but we can combine them into one. How? Let's carry out the multiplication between the two exponential expressions. We are multiplying two exponential terms with the same base. Let's use the product law of exponents. What is the product law of exponents? It tells us that if we multiply two exponential terms with the same base, we copy their common base and add their exponents. Let's apply. Copy 6, add -3x minus 2 and 9x. This is equal to 6 raised to -3. Next step, simplify the exponent on the left side by combining like terms. We now have 6 raised to -3x plus 9x is equal to 6x. Copy minus 2. Then equate this to 6 raised to -3. We now have a format that's the same as our target. We have common base, single exponential expression on each side. So we're now ready to set the exponents equal to each other. We have 6x minus 2 and -3. Equate them. 6x minus 2 equals -3. Then we can now solve for x. To solve for x, let's use the addition property of equality to eliminate -2 on the left side. +2 on the left, +2 on the right. Opposite numbers cancel out each other. Bring down 6x. Simplify right side, -3 plus 2 is -1. Isolate x. Using division property of equality, divide both sides by 6. Cancel out 6, x is isolated, and it's equal to -1/6. This is the value of x that will make this equality true. If you have any questions or you want further clarification, just leave your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Tutor Marife MCP. Thank you for watching.